Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Sandisk's fiscal first quarter 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Sandisk's latest financial performance.
Let's get started with an overview of Sandisk and their recent earnings release.
Sandisk, a leader in data storage solutions, has just released their fiscal Q1 2026 results. The company reported a significant sequential revenue increase driven by strong demand for their technology and products.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sandisk reported a net revenue of $2.31 billion for the first quarter, which is a 21% increase sequentially. John, can you shed some light on this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased demand across their data center and edge markets. The data center revenue alone was up 26% sequentially, indicating strong traction in that segment. Additionally, their BiCS8 technology is gaining momentum, contributing to their overall performance.
And what about profitability? How did Sandisk perform in terms of earnings?
Sandisk reported a non-GAAP diluted net income per share of 22, significantly beating the analyst forecast of 58 cents. This reflects their effective cost management and operational efficiencies despite a year-over-year decline in gross margins.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Sandisk's operational efficiencies. How have they managed to improve their operating income so significantly?
Sandisk's operating income saw a remarkable increase to $245 million on a non-GAAP basis, up 145% sequentially. This was achieved through strategic cost management and a focus on high-margin products. Their gross margin also improved slightly to 29.9% non-GAAP, despite some pressure from increased operating expenses.
Looking ahead, what is Sandisk's guidance for the next quarter?
For the second quarter, Sandisk expects revenue to be between $2.55 billion and $2.65 billion, with non-GAAP EPS projected to range from 3 to 3.40 cents. This optimistic outlook is supported by their strong market positioning and ongoing customer engagements.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did Sandisk's CEO, David Goeckeler, provide regarding their strategic direction?
David Goeckeler emphasized that Sandisk's leading technology and product portfolio are well-positioned to capitalize on strengthening demand. He highlighted their strong balance sheet and the achievement of a net cash positive milestone, which positions them to drive long-term value for shareholders.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
Sandisk is focusing on expanding their engagement with major hyperscale customers and advancing their BiCS8 technology. These initiatives are expected to enhance their competitive edge and support sustained growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sandisk has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with impressive revenue growth and earnings that surpassed expectations. Their strategic focus on technology and customer engagement bodes well for future prospects. John, any final thoughts?
Sandisk's results reflect their robust market positioning and operational strength. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and upcoming product developments, which could further enhance their market leadership.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sandisk's performance in the comments below.